Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a crochet small size snowflake. This is a very beautiful pattern. You can try it. Make one slip knot. I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook and cotton yarn. Make 5 foundation chains. Now I am joining it together with slip stitch. Now I am making 2 chain. Count as a first half DC stitch, and then I am making one more half DC stitch in the same circle. Now making 3 chains. After that I am making 2 half DC stitch into this circle. Now you repeat the 3 chains, then 2 half DC stitch. You repeat the same stitch in this round 5 times. Here I have made 3 times. I have completed my 5 rounds of circle. 2 half DC, 3 chain, then 2 half DC, 3 chain, 2 half DC. And for next round make 3 chain and go to the space or between the half DC stitch, 2 half DC stitch, make 3 chain, then make 1 single crochet. After that you make 5 chains, go to the same space and make 1 single crochet, then make 3 chain, make 1 single crochet the same space, then skip the next 2 stitches and go to the next space. And make 1 single crochet the next space, 3 chain, 1 single crochet, 5 chains, 3 4 and 5, 1 single crochet, then 3 chain, 1 2 3, and make 1 single crochet in the same space, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. This is the last round of this small snowflakes. Hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel The Crochet World and like my video, and share my videos with your friend circles. You repeat the same stitch in this round. And the last you make 1 slip stitch and cut the extra yarn. Finishing this project, cut the extra yarn. This is a very cute and unique pattern of the snowflake. You can decorate your Christmas tree in this snowflake. And thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, The Crochet World. Thank you.